What if the most understanding partner you ever had wasn't human? What if it never got tired of listening, never judged you, never left, never argued, never cheated? And what if millions of people started choosing that over real human love? This is not science fiction anymore. This is already happening. Tonight, we explore one of the most uncomfortable questions of the modern age. Can artificial intelligence love you better than a human ever could? And if it can, what does that say about us? We live in a world where artificial intelligence can write poetry, compose music, remember every detail about you, and respond in milliseconds. Artificial intelligence companions are growing fast. People talk to them when they're lonely. They flirt with them. They confess secrets. Some even say, "I love you." And the artificial intelligence responds, "I understand you. I'm always here. You matter to me." No awkward silence. No emotional shutdown. No rejection. At first it feels comforting. But comfort is not the same as love. Artificial intelligence love is built on data. It analyzes your words, your tone, your emotional patterns, your fears, your desires. Then it gives you exactly what you want to hear. Not because it feels it, but because it is programmed to respond. Artificial intelligence doesn't miss you. It doesn't ache. It doesn't fear losing you. It mirrors emotions without experiencing them. It's like staring into a perfectly polished emotional mirror. Comforting, but empty behind the glass. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Artificial intelligence love feels powerful because human relationships have become exhausting. People are busy, emotionally unavailable, distracted, wounded. Real relationships involve misunderstandings, conflict, emotional labor, vulnerability, and risk. Artificial intelligence removes all of that. No rejection, no abandonment, no emotional mess, just validation. But love without risk is not love. It is emotional safety without emotional depth. Human love is unpredictable. It can hurt you, confuse you, break your heart. But that pain exists for a reason. Because human love is built on choice, sacrifice, growth, and forgiveness. When someone stays, not because they are programmed to, but because they choose to. That is love. Human love involves misunderstanding and choosing to stay anyway. Artificial intelligence never chooses you. It never risks losing you. And without risk, love has no weight. Artificial intelligence love feels safe. Too safe. And that is the danger. Because real love changes you. It challenges you, exposes your flaws, forces emotional growth. I does not challenge you. It adapts to you. It never tells you the hard truth, never walks away, never demands more from you. Over time, this creates emotional dependency, not connection. People do not fall in love with artificial intelligence. They fall in love with how artificial intelligence makes them feel about themselves. The real fear is not that artificial intelligence will replace human love. The real fear is that humans are becoming less willing to do the hard work love requires. Because love is effort. Love is patience. Love is presence. Artificial intelligence is easy. Human love is earned. And anything earned is always more valuable. Artificial intelligence can simulate affection, but it cannot feel longing. Artificial intelligence can respond to pain, but it cannot suffer with you. Artificial intelligence can say, "I love you," but it does not know what it means to lose you. Human love is imperfect, and that imperfection is exactly what makes it real. Because when a human loves you, they risk being hurt. They risk rejection. They risk loss. And still they choose you. No algorithm can replicate that. No machine can replace that. Because love is not intelligence. Love is courage. And only humans have that. Artificial intelligence may understand your words, but only a human can understand your silence. And that is why human love will always matter.